when stars show up in moon-luminous sky. Streetlights stand to hide the blink of cars crossing by. Tides give earth to waves by shared delight. Strangers lit forest trails to stay for night. In this town I did find untouchable charm of eyes open wide. Sails in open sea, but with the start of the mice. All our meetings by the pebble cliff sharply rise. Used to call your name, claim your mind. Used to walk the bay in twilight time. But tonight I'm inclined to go down these streets with no one beside. Distant lights of ships remind that you're the one I'm falling for. Should I get back in the car and rush to the place you're sleeping? Will I meet your smile or hear the clap of the door? Will you sew our hearts over the blades of your clothes? And the winds ride the head of sighs. In the open skies the moonshine hides. Here I run, falling down every step in which when it's done. These lights of rooms remind that you're the one I'm falling for. Should we walk back hand in hand to cross blind moon? Just when stars fade out from hazy ghosts of the night, headlights stand too high, vanishing dangerous light. Tides give up the waves, we shared your life. Bronze from singer rays, twinkling like pride. In this town I did find untouchable charm of eyes open wide. In this town I did find untouchable charms of eyes open wide. I did find in this town untouchable charms of eyes open wide. I did find in this town untouchable charms of eyes open wide. I did find in this town untouchable charms.